Medyo lang. Sarap. Ganda ni Kuya, oh. Konnichiwa people, this is Dragon Sasori. I would like to introduce this kakanin vendor here in Santa Cruz, Laguna. As what you can see, there are lots of banana queue, kamote queue, turon, at different kakanin. Yan, si Kuya. Ayan. Okay lang daw, nag-video sa. Thank you so much and super delicious, and I bought lots of ayan, omyage, pasalubong to my maid and painters and carpenters in the house. So as what you can see, lots of delicious, very yummy kakanin, and located here in Santa Cruz, Laguna. So this is Dragon Sasori. I would like to say thank you, and ang sarap ng luto ni Kuya. Yan. Thank you so much, Kuya. Happy life lang po. Kuya, pakisabi, Dragon Sasori.
Dragon Sasori.
Subscribe. Likes and comments. Thank you so much.
Golden rays, they light up the day. Barefoot, chasing dreams under skies so wide. Every step with friends by our side. Kites flying high, hearts full of cheer. These are the days we'll hold dear.